Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20-volt cordless angle grinder from Parkside, performance power tool, the model PWSAP 20LIF6 with battery and with charger. One battery series over 100 devices, compatible with all X20V Team series rechargeable batteries. With brushless motor, extra durable and powerful with less wear and tear. No load rotation 10,000 RPM 6 level speed. Cutting disc 125mm. Holder M14. Accessories included. Download the Parkside app and connect this tool with the battery. I will show you. Compare it with a regular model, this one has up to 49% faster cutting speed on flat steel, up to 23% faster cutting speed on tiles, and up to 10 times longer motor lifespan. And with a long 5 years warranty. I like that. Thumbs up. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Durable black and red case. Inside we have the manual and the tool. And we have space for other accessories, second battery maybe. The charger with a cable length 2 meters. Fast charger 4.5 amps with an output 21.5 volts. Red indicator is charging, green indicator is fully charged. And the tool, soft elements around, I like that. At the handle, you can remove the handle and install it at 3 different positions. Here or here. Soft elements. Storage for the chuck key. I like that. Ventilation here. The battery, you can remove the battery. Battery capacity indicator, red, yellow and green fully charged. Bluetooth ready to connect with the Parkside app. Parkside performance 4 ampere hours. It comes with battery and charger. I like that. Here it is the guard cover. This plastic, you can remove that. Here it is the bracket keyless chuck. To remove the disc, you need to press this button, the spindle lock, and it will lock, and then use the key. I need to adjust. Now it is better. And there it is, so easy to remove. We have the disc, Parkside for metal, the uptake spindle. You can remove the mounting flange. And here you can adjust the guard, so easy to do that. You can even remove the guard. Again, to install, find the right position, press and rotate. You can pull this lever and adjust. That is the maximum adjustment at this position or at this position. And again, to install the disc, it is very easy. Install the flange, the disc, and then the keyless chuck. Rotate with your hand, lock the disc, and then with the key okay, nice. It is a little bit difficult to make all the adjustments on the camera. And of course, here at the front, we have the controls. The connected indicator, charge level indicator, the display speed level here, on-off button, unlock button, there it is, and the speed button, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first again, lock, it doesn't work, and unlock, on-off button, press twice, and with the lock button, it will shut down. Unlock, press twice. So easy to adjust the speeds. And let's connect it with the app. Parkside app, add the tool. Smart battery 20 volt. Finish. We can see connected. Please charge. I need to charge the battery. And there is the tool. At the tool we can adjust some settings, operating mode, performance or expert. On expert mode you can adjust the RPM, so wow, I like it. We can see the speed, the discharge current, overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operating time, current temperature, lock the battery, you can do that. I need to update the battery, okay, nice. And done, perfect. Unlock the battery. Operating mode, we have the performance for the battery, balanced, eco, we can see it's changing the volts and the current, expert, and here you can adjust the discharge voltage from 2.5 to 3.4 and the discharge current from 5 to 50. Performance. Overheat notification, disable, enable, identify the battery. You can do that if you have more than one battery. You can see it's flashing the battery indicator. I like it. Current charge, discharging current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, informations for the battery, and that is all the settings that you can adjust for this power tool. There's the tool. And of course, you can adjust at performance the current speed level. Starting with the first, you can see I just love it. How cool is that to control your power tool from the app? Of course, I don't know if anyone will bother to do that oftenly, but you have the option. I can install the guard, and it locks here, and again adjust at the position you want. Nice. Adjustments, just pull this lever and you can do the adjustments. Now let's fully charge the battery before I will start the test. Green light, ready to charge the battery. Now it's charging. And I can hear the fan. The charger has a fan because it is a fast charger. And here at the app we can see the battery is charging. I'm trying to cut this 20mm rebar, but after a few seconds it stops and the level speeds start flashing. The same thing happens again and again. In the app we can see the error message, battery temperature too high. Seriously now? After cutting one PVC pipe, one copper pipe and one cylindrical tube 2mm, and only one time the rebar 20mm thick gave me this error. And the battery was left to cool down after charging for 30 minutes. That is unbelievable. The tool is for the garbage. Now I will replace the battery with a new, fully charged 4Ah battery and see what happens. Did anyone said performance? Did I heard right? Performance angle grinder? For what? Seriously now? Maybe for cutting PVC or very thick metals? Yeah, sure. I have tested in the past other angle grinders and definitely was way more better than that performance angle grinder. Did I say again performance? Not even close. I'm just laughing, okay. So, seriously now, if you found this review helpful, insightful, or just enjoying seeing the Parkside grinder fail it, please give this video a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports the channel and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tool reviews, DIY projects and workshop tips. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other power tool reviews and workshop tutorials right here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Stay safe, keep those blades sharp, and I'll catch you in the next video.